This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both surfaces and administering the first, controlled bead. Remove oils and old adhesive using isopropyl alcohol, then dry thoroughly. Moisture prevents bonding. Once dry, puncture the tube tip and squeeze a thin, continuous bead, about 1/8 inch for even coverage. Apply to one surface only, not both, to avoid trapping air. Press parts together within the adhesive's open time, and hold steady for the initial tack period so the glue grabs and aligns cleanly. Once the parts meet, make sure to align them precisely, then clamp with even pressure across the joint. Misalignment ruins fit. Keep the assembly in a stable environment, moderate temperature and low humidity, because temperature and moisture affect cure rate and final strength. If excess adhesive squeezes out, wipe it away before it skins over using a proper solvent or a clean rag. Allow the bond to set undisturbed during the manufacturer's recommended initial cure window to build handling strength. Finish by letting the assembly reach full cure, typically 1 to 3 days, so the adhesive attains rated strength. Do not rush testing. After the listed cure time, test progressively. A light stress first, then normal load so you can detect failure early. If the bond seems weak or delaminates, separate parts, thoroughly remove old residue, re-clean with solvent, and consider a recommended primer or increased surface abrasion before reapplying. One key tip: trapped moisture or oil is the most common cause of failure. Recheck surface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.